Hello students, welcome back. Class 9th, subject IT under the NSQ scheme. So today I am discussing a new chapter, spreadsheet. Okay, we can say uh, the collection of row and columns, and then we will store our data in a cell. Okay, so chapter 9 we are continuing. Topic introduction, start Excel components, opening, saving and closing spreadsheet. Okay, so first this is a very simple chapter. Okay, so introduction. A spreadsheet program consists of data and information organized in the form of rows and columns. It is used for a variety of tasks such as we know actually we know very well table. In a table, the concept of row and columns, the interaction of row and column will create a cell, and in a cell we can store our data. So spreadsheet means the spread a tray of row and columns. So with the help of electronic spreadsheet, we can perform this type of calculation to arrange the data in tabular format. Okay, to perform different mathematical operations on the stored data, to maintain and analyze the data, to create management information system records, to generate graph pictorial representation of data, to perform financial calculation, to manage inventory, etc. Okay, so this type of calculation and this type of organizational calculation work we can perform in our Excel. Okay, but before starting a spreadsheet program, so uh, so to start here, I want to share one thing. There are so many type of spreadsheet program. Microsoft Excel, you know very well, but in OpenOffice, Calc, okay, it is also a spreadsheet program. Okay, here Lotus 123. This is an old version of spreadsheet program. The but most popular spreadsheet program is Microsoft Excel. So starting a spreadsheet program, Excel is a spreadsheet program. Okay, a spreadsheet program consists of data information organized in the form of row and columns. So here we can start Excel directly with the help of desktop icon. So double click on a shortcut icon of Excel on the desktop. Okay, another thing we can use, click the start button, all programs, and you can see in Microsoft Office, or in Microsoft Office you can see Microsoft Excel we can run. Okay, the first screen of Excel, there are different type of components you can see. So Excel application window consists of the following components. First is title bar. Any application, the topmost bar, we always say this is a title bar. So present top of the window, show current file name. Okay, right side you can see minimize or maximize, restore and close button. Okay, the next thing is quick access toolbar. It is a very short strip located left of the title bar, a set of command and work with single click, and also add button on this bar. We can also add a new button. Okay, tabs. By default, Excel provide 8 tabs. When we click on tab, a ribbons pop up. Okay, what is a ribbon? A ribbon, it have different commands which are arranged in groups, and each group has a set of same type of commands, and sometimes a dialog launcher arrow is also available. Rows. We know very well what is rows. Horizontal strip of spreadsheet are called rows. They are identify the number of the far left hand. Okay, now rows, after we know columns. Okay, a vertical strip. Okay, we can say this is a column, or column always refer with A, B, C, D notation. Okay. Now next thing is cell. The point where a row and a column intersect is called a cell. Active cell. A cell with a dark boundary and ready for entering or editing the data. Cell reference. Cell reference consists of row number and column alphabet notation. It consists of a column letter followed by a row number. For example, B2. Here B refer column name, 2 refer the row number. A18. So A is a column name, 18 is a row number. C22. So C is a column name, 22 is a row number. In Excel, each cell is identify an address or reference. So B12, A18, C20T is a cell reference. A range of cell, a group of adjacent cells, okay, means we can select more than one cell continuously. So we can say this is a cell range. It looks like a square or a rectangle on a worksheet. For example, A2 to C15 means start from A2 cell and all the cell within C15 will select in a square rectangle selection style. Formula bar. Data or formula can be directly entered into the active cell on the formula bar. When you want to perform some kind of calculation, arithmetic calculations or any kind of formula, so we can use formula bar. Name box. In name box you can see the active cell reference. It is located before the formula bar. Okay. Now workbook. Okay. In Excel, each file we can say this is a workbook file. So the structure is, first we have Excel file. So we can say this is a workbook. Inside a workbook, by default 3 sheets. Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. In Sheet 1, the collection of so many rows and columns. So we can see this is a sheet. In a sheet, so many pages are available, and we select a page, then we can print. Okay, so this is a structure. Worksheet. It is a grid of rows and columns. By default 3 worksheet name: Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. If you already used Excel, so you know very well the basic structure, and we can also add more sheets. Sheet tabs means Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. This is called sheet tabs. These are present at the bottom of the screen. To give a meaningful name to a worksheet, double click its tab and type a new name. Scroll bars. Okay. So it helps to scroll the content and body of the worksheet. 2 types of scroll bars: horizontal and vertical scroll bar. Okay, because our screen have limited portion, but our data large volume of data, so we can see our hidden data by scrolling left to right or top to bottom, okay, with the help of a scroll bar. Now because we want to perform some kind of our genuine work, to suppose you want to create a mark sheet of your class of multiple different subjects. Okay, so we can use, the best option is we can use spreadsheet program. In a spreadsheet we can use MS Excel. So creating, opening, saving and closing operation on Excel. So to open a new workbook, click the file button, new blank workbook, create. Okay, so it will create a new workbook, or we can directly use shortcut keys Ctrl+N. Okay, when you open a workbook, in a workbook sheet 1 is active by default. Okay, you can see sheet 1. To switch into sheet, click the corresponding sheet tabs. Okay. To insert a new worksheet in a workbook, click the Insert Worksheet button present next to the Sheet tabs or we can press shift F11. Okay, after opening a new sheet, now we want to enter data. So the enter or tab key is pressed to complete the entry while typing in a cell. After typing your content, if you want to type in next content or below the cell, so you can press enter or tab key. The tab key cursor control key is some other area. Okay, now next thing is the formula bar. We know very well when you want to perform some kind of calculation, we can use formula bar. A formula bar allows you to enter the data into a selected or an active cell. A cell can be opened in edited mode by clicking the F2 key. Suppose after typing your data, you will move the next cell, but if you want to change the data of previous cell, so you can move the cell, click on the cell, or we can directly use F2 key. To edit a cell, we can use F2. Both the save and save as option, okay, save option we can use to save our data onto the hard disk permanently, or we can also change the file name and with a new version save as option save the file. However, the save as option allows to create a new copy to update the changes, keep the previous one as it is. Okay, so this is a difference between save and save as. A workbook can be closed by clicking the file and close button. Okay, and if you want to close completely the Excel program, so we can also use to Excel application is closed after either clicking the close button, or we can use close exit button in file in exit. Okay students, thanks for attending the online class. Below the comment box you must type your name and class with section and following question answers. Today my question is, write any two tasks of any spreadsheet programs, difference between a worksheet and a workbook, how do you perform to edit a cell? After writing above answer in comment box and type your question, also your doubt, so I will definitely see and I will reply. You will check. Okay students, thank you so much.